Episode of Bitcoin and Coffee. I'll be your host, Eugene Forrest. So what are we looking at today with these crazy cryptocurrency markets? Testing our hands today for sure, right? It looks like a whole bunch of red when I was checking it out earlier. Let's get over to CoinMarketCap. And let's refresh because this stuff changes every minute. So I mean, we got the Bitcoin price under $8,000. I seen that everybody was starting to freak out about it. I mean, personally, I see it a lot different than all the FUD is that goes around in the market. It's just like, you know, when the gas price is cheap, I go fill up my car. So when I see the Bitcoin price is nice and cheap like this, I go out and fill up my hardware wallet, right? So, I mean, we're down 3.7%. I see this as an opportunity to make more money. You know, the market cap is slipping backwards as well. We're coming in at $347 billion. The trade volume's up a little bit on yesterday, coming in at 18 billion. BTC dominance is up, though, coming in at 38.9%. Can't complain about that, though, right? So let me see. We got Ethereum. I mean, we were a little disappointed that we were under $700 yesterday. Definitely slipping today, coming in at 625. That's down 8.7%. Getting real close to some double digits on a lot of these altcoins. Let's see what happens when we move down here. We got 62 cents for Ripple. That's down. The mark of the beast, down 6.66%. That's a little funny, right? Let me see. We got Bitcoin Cash coming in pretty much a little over $1,000, 1,060. That's down 9.77%. We got EOS 1154. That's down 10.66%. We got Litecoin $125. Wow. That's down 5.3%. Cardano coming in at 21 cents. Look at these discounts, right? Down 10.2%. Let's see what we got going on with Steam and the Steam backed dollar. Got Steam coming in at $3.05. That's down 1%. Yes, let's try to hold on to that. You know, I want it back at 4, but I'll be all right with holding on to 3 as we see the market dip in double digits. And it looked like the Steam backed dollar is not really faring quite as well. Let's refresh this. And $2.03, that's down 7.2%. So that'll probably get into the double digits as the day continues as well. And the rest of this market continues to bleed all over the place. But as always, it's always about perspective. So you got to get out there and look at it in the right kind of light. So what do I got going on here for news today with you guys on Bitcoin and Coffee? Well, I mean, you know, the sentiment is, what do I do? What do I do with the market? Do I buy? Do I sell? I mean, I keep telling you guys, hey, I'm always trying to save money, trying to cut corners. I buy into the market whenever I see these kinds of dips. I find it a good situation for me, but it's different for everybody. You know, the market changes on how you're in it and why you're in it and what you're doing in it. You know, I keep myself like 3 months out on bills. So as I make a weekly paycheck, I put it in. So I hope that Bitcoin goes up within 3 months. So I make money off of it before I have to pay my bills. So, you know, when I see these dips, that's my chance to get in to hopefully make some more money, go ahead and preemptively pay some bills and take a profit off that money. That doesn't always work for everybody. That's not necessarily where everybody's situation is. You know, it's different for everyone. As you continue to grow in this cryptocurrency market, the way that you go about operating here and using this tool called Bitcoin and all these other cryptocurrency changes, right? All right, so let me see. What do we got going on? Well, we got the MIT is testing smart contracts powered by the Lightning Network. Boom, big plus right there, showing that the utilization of the Lightning Network is definitely going to be helping. They got this thing that they're developing called Oracle, and they're saying it's going to help provide, I mean, millions of transactions, you know, Visa card level stuff. And that's where this stuff has, you know, been going. That's what we're trying to get to. That's why we're early adopters sitting in here with Bitcoin transactions at what, you know, 10 transactions a second or something. All right. So we got Circle. They're going to be adding, you know, their version. It's the full version now instead of, you know, the downgraded beta version they had. They're adding a tool to it called Buy the Market, where you go ahead and you start setting up, you know, what cryptocurrencies you want to buy. That way you just spend some money and it diversifies it between the cryptocurrencies you want to buy based on the percentages you've already allocated to it. Nice. That's what we need. Tools to be able to help these new people figure it out. You know, that's what happens. You get into the cryptocurrency space. Not everybody is as curious as we are and, you know, wanting to go out there and dig real deep and learn all of the, you know, ins and outs of this stuff. So giving them these easy tools helps adoption. So apparently I was right. Verge was under 51% attack yesterday. That sucks. Second time around. I feel bad for people holding the currency. At least they're 2-0 right on hemorrhaging their money. I mean, it's down only 14.6%. I mean, they're talking about this guy's already gotten a couple $1 million out of the situation. I don't know why it's not at zero. I mean, but yeah, we still haven't really seen too many cryptocurrencies wash up and drop all the way down to zero. They're still at a 31 ranking. Maybe they can turn this around in some way. Only time tells with the situation. But as always, that's why I'm leery of crypto, of, you know, these altcoins, especially the third and fourth tier that are happening. You know, just be cautious of what you're investing in, right? Let me see. What else do we got going on? Well, we got China's largest TV station. They're broadcasting like a Bitcoin cryptocurrency warning across all of their channels, which is a lot. It's like 1.2 billion people. Did this have anything to do with the dip? I'm hearing a little bit, you know, that cryptocurrency, you know, warning flooded everybody out, or it flooded people out in other countries because they heard about it. But China's still not really such a big power as they used to be. So I don't really find much weight to that accusation. And we're looking at Skycoin. All right, they're one of the few jumpers today. When I had written this down, we were up 37.7%. I mean, that's some really big gains considering a double-digit drop in the market, jumping up to the 54th place. It's they got their live test net, is what I'm reading, is what happened. Hadn't really heard of this about or before today, looking like some sort of decentralized internet. They're saying that it's secure and all these other things. When you go and check it out, they have a Medium post, and when you get over there, they have stuff to be able to download this test net, stuff for even novice people to get in on it. It was saying something about a rewards program. Really, I wasn't able to dig into it much deeper than that. It looks like it's going to need a little bit of time to, you know, get this downloaded and check into it. It looks kind of interesting. You know, maybe that's why the market price is up on it today. Or as always, it could just be some crazy pump, right? So if you guys like everything that's happening here on Bitcoin and Coffee, I need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, because these numbers are slowly trickling upwards, and that's a plus. As always, I got my free help desk service. It's at eugeneforrest@20@gmail.com. I think that's the best tool I can provide for you guys. Shoot me those emails. Ask me what you got going on in these cryptocurrency space. Hold strong. Don't get fudded out by what's happening. You know, it's red today. It could be red tomorrow. Who knows? But we've seen days of green. We know this stuff turns around. Super volatile. We're just kind of waiting on big investors, as what we've been seeing lately from the sentiment from a lot of people, you know, in the cryptocurrency space, and the YouTube bloggers and everyone else is writing on Reddit. It'll happen. Just hold strong. We got faith in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. But as always, make sure you keep your Bitcoin safe. Have a great day, everyone.